think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. So check it out, fam. I got a friend of mine who's in town named Ray. So it's been a while since I've seen Ray. Last time I saw him was when he came by my gym. That was some years back. Here's a picture on the screen. So he's in town. We're gonna catch up, get us a chest workout. Let's head to the gym.
Bam. Get back in that shit. There we go. There it is. There it is. Good money.
All right, homies and homettes. Full routine written at the very bottom of the description for the ones that happen to give a fuck. So we started off this chest routine with lower chest first. Started off with the dips. That's really gonna help warm everything up, get the shoulder girdle fired up. Then we went straight into the pec flies. This right here is gonna really help us connect with those pecs and really pump them full of blood. Now here we are doing the mega mass chest press. Now the mega mass chest press, it reminds me a lot of the hammer strength chest press, but this is the hammer strength chest press on steroids. Notice how the handles are set on those tracks, and the path comes up and inward, very similar to a pyramid, very similar to how they would with dumbbells. So the squeeze is crazy, okay? Now here we are doing some upper pecs, doing some barbell incline bench, all right? And after we did, hold on, look at this clip right here, check this out, okay? Top off the incline with 3 pieces and a biscuit, 3 pieces and a biscuit. We ain't playing no games. Y'all see 3 bad bitches on the bar, we ain't playing no games. Going for a single, keep in mind we did a lot of volume today. Going for a little single, just wanna feel it. So pay his respects. Show the big girl just a little loving. Just let her know he's here. And get this mind right. Just one rip, just want to feel it. I'm letting y'all see this raw footage. He's getting his mind right. Here we go, 1 rep, let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. There we go. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was raw with that cut. Tap on the ass one time. Wow. Yeah, I just wanted y'all to see that set of Ray hitting that heavy set. That doesn't even count as part of our workout. You know, we did 3 working sets, and then he just wanted to touch some heavy ass weight. You feel me? Some of y'all know how it is. Just want to touch some heavy ass weight. So we finished off the upper chest with some dumbbell press. Notice how the elbows come up and in. Very similar to the mega mass chest press. All right, and here we are doing some dumbbell curls, knocking out some hammer curls for that outer head bicep thickness, okay? And then we knocking out some cable curls. So we did chest, then we did 2 bicep movements, all right? Always a pleasure getting together with my brother Ray. Always a pleasure recording for you guys and gals. Y'all be sure to comment below and let me know what y'all want to see in the future, all right? Bam. Moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.